and sidewise you will, if I ask you to unmute, then you will unmute yourself. Clear, beta? Yes, now a chapter is skeletal system and nervous system. First of all, write down, what do you mean by skeleton? Yes, what do you mean by skeleton? Write it in the chat box. Yes, very good, Manvi. Framework of bones is called skeleton. Okay. Framework of bones which gives shape and support to the body. Clear? Which gives shape and support to the body. And what are the different functions of the skeletal system? First is, mute yourself. First is it provides shape and support to the body. जो हमने अभी definitions में ही बोल दिया, definition में बोल दिया, it provides shape and support to the body. And second one, write it in the chat box. Second function of the skeletal system. Hanji, it is, yes, good. Okay, it protects the delicate organs. Write down which organs are protected. Name one or two organs which are protected by our skeletal system. Yes, what is protected by the rib cage? Yes, rib cage protects the, yes, it protects heart and lungs. Good. Okay. Rib cage protect. Rib cage is the bony skeleton. Skeleton is a part of the skeleton. Clear? Lungs and heart are protected. Good. Then next is it allows movement. Okay. Without the joints present in the skeleton system, in between the bones, we cannot move. Clear? Joint is a place where two bones meet. Now, can you see the grey colored part in the picture? जो आप image देख रहे हो, picture देख रहे हो, उसमें जो grey color का part है, grey color में है, that is, what is this? Write it in the chat box. जो joints पे bones तो ठीक है, bones के ऊपर जो grey color है, वहाँ पे joints है जहाँ पे, what do we call this part? Cartilage. Very good, Bhuvnesh. Cartilage function is, it acts as a cushion and it protects the rubbing of the bones at the joints. Okay, it protects the wear and tear of the bones due to rubbing. जहाँ पे joints होते हैं, rub होती हैं bones, तो it protects the bones, okay, against rubbing. Next is RBCs are formed. Long bones have bone marrow, okay, which helps in the formation of RBCs. Clear? So next is, name the main bones that comprise the skeletal system. Okay. Main bones that comprise the skeletal system. First one is the skull. Clear? How many bones are there in the skull? Write it. How many bones are present in the skull? Mamta Chopra. Yes, better concentrate. Don't look here and there. Yes, very good. 22, not 33. 33 are in the backbone. So 22 bones comprise the skull. And which organ is protected by the skull? Skull protects a very delicate and very important part of the body, that is brain. Clear? Brain is protected by the skull. And this is skull. And which part of the skull is movable? Which bone is, only one bone is movable, rest all are immovable. means they are fixed with one another. They do not allow any movement. Yes, lower jaw. Clear? Lower jaw is movable and it helps to chew the food and it helps to talk. We cannot chew the food if it is not movable. Okay, upper jaw and lower jaw, they have teeth and they help to chew the food. Okay. Prabjot ma'am, my voice is clear? Some students
Yes,
write.
ma'am, it's clear. Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, beta. Problem maybe from your side, beta. And next is backbone. Okay, first part was the skull and the second part is backbone. How many bones are there in the backbone? It is made up of 33 small bones. And what do we call these bones? We call them vertebra. Okay, vertebra, they are small bones, they are placed over each other like this. Okay, one over the other, they are placed like this and they form a tube-like structure in between. आप देख रहे हो ना? Through this tube-like structure, which part of our nervous system runs? It protects the very important part of a nervous system. Okay, very delicate and very important. जो hollow bones हैं वो centers में सबकी एक hole होता है. When they are placed over one another, they form a tube-like structure. Very good, Nitish. And this structure protects the spinal cord. Spinal cord is very important. It gives messages to the brain from all parts of the body and from the brain to all parts of the body. This connects our body to brain. It is cord-like structure which runs through these vertebrae. And because they are placed over one another and a movement is possible, they can glide or slide one over the other. That's why we can bend. Clear? So they help to bend and turn. Clear? So these small bones are called vertebra and they protect the spinal cord and the backbone helps us to bend and turn. Clear? And next is rib cage. Okay, what is the function of this rib cage? And how many bones are present in the rib cage? How many pair of bones? If we call number of bones, to 24. If we call pair of bones, so then it will be 12 pair of bones. Very good. And it protects our heart and lungs. Okay. So what do we call the bone present in the center of the chest? चेस्ट के सेंटर में एक बोन आपको दिख रही है फ्रंट साइड पे. व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट? मानवी, वेरी गुड आंसर. इट इज स्टर्नम. क्लियर? कैन यू what is another name of the sternum? What do we call sternum? Another name, very good, breastbone. Clear? Another name of the sternum is breastbone. And how many bones are not connected to the sternum? How many pair of bones are not connected to sternum? They are connected to the backbone. पीछे आप देख रहे हो वो backbone से connected है. Very good too. Okay, all of you take part. Some of the students are not writing. Otherwise, many students are writing. Very good. But some students' answers are not coming. All of you should take part. Two bones are floating bones. They are joined to backbone, but they are not joined to sternum from the front side. And they protect very delicate and very important parts, heart and lungs. Clear? And next part is limbs. We have forelimbs and hind limbs. फोर लिम्स आर्म्स को कहते हैं और हाइंड लिम्स हम किसको कहते हैं? लेग्स को। क्लियर? सो 2 बोन्स इन द लोअर आर्म, ये हमारी पूरी आर्म है यहाँ तक, और ये पार्ट हमारा जो नीचे वाला पार्ट है इसको हम कहते हैं लोअर आर्म। How many 2 bones are in the lower arm? Can you name these? Very good. मानवी के बहुत क्विक आंसर्स आ रहे हैं. Radius and ulna. Clear? Radius. Soumya also. Radius and ulna. Clear? 2 bones are present in the lower arm and 1 arm is present over here. अपर पार्ट में 1 बोन होती है. नेम ऑफ दैट बोन इज, राइट इट, नेम ऑफ दैट बोन इज, यस, आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग, यस, ह्यूमरस. क्लियर? बट स्पेलिंग में ओ नहीं आएगा, इट इज ह्यूमरस and it is present in the upper part of the arm. Good answer. Yes, and this is the structure of the forearm. Upper part में देखो, ऊपर humerus is present, 1 single bone is present in the upper part of the arm, but lower part में 2 bones हैं, radius and ulna. Clear? एक थोड़ी thin होती है ulna और radius thick होती है. And आर्म के साथ नीचे क्या अटैच्ड होती है? कार्पल्स. यहाँ पे हमारे रिस्ट में छोटी छोटी बोन्स होती हैं. मेनी बोन्स आर देयर. क्लियर? 8 बोन्स आर देयर. वी कॉल देम कार्पल्स. कार्पल्स के बाद यहाँ पे आते हैं मेटाकार्पल्स, 5 होते हैं. और आगे जो फिंगर्स में हमारे 3 बोन्स इन ईच फिंगर, वी कॉल देम phalanges. क्लियर? एंड name the longest bone. Longest bone is present in the hind limbs. Clear? Femur. Very good. Okay, femur, or we call it thigh bone also. जो हमारी लेग के अपर पार्ट में एक लॉन्ग बोन प्रेजेंट होती है. इट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट बोन इन द बॉडी. वी कॉल इट थाई बोन और फीमर. क्लियर? यू कैन सी the upper part of our leg that is made up of the longest bone, thigh bone. Okay, it helps in the formation of these long bones. They help in the formation of RBCs, means red blood cells. They contain bone marrow. Okay, lower arm में भी same arm, forearm की तरह 2 bones होती है, fibula and tibia. Clear? और जैसे रिस्ट में प्रेजेंट थे कार्पल्स, और यहाँ पे जो बोन्स छोटी एंकल में बोन्स होती है, वी कॉल देम टार्सल्स. टार्सल्स के बाद 5 मेटाटार्सल्स, और जो हमारे टोज में प्रेजेंट होती हैं स्मॉल बोन्स, वी कॉल देम phalanges. क्लियर? देन नेक्स्ट, नेम द 3 parts of the brain and write 1 function of each. First of all, write down the largest and upper part of the brain. What do we call it? Yes, it is cerebrum. Very good. Skull nahi beta. Skull protects the brain. That is bony part. Bony part के अंदर जो brain है, brain again divided into main 3 parts. The first one is cerebrum. Very good. Cerebrum, write down the function of cerebrum. It controls intelligence. Very good. And memory. Clear? It controls thinking also. Clear? And it controls the sense organs also. So at least 1 function you have to write. It controls memory, thinking, intelligence, and it controls the working of sense organs also. Second part is cerebellum. What is the function of cerebellum and where does it lie? कहाँ पे होता है present? Yes, quick answers नहीं आ रहे अभी. अपनी brain को revise नहीं किया बेटा? Yes, it controls voluntary muscles. Good, Astik. It is under the cerebrum. Very good, Nitish. Yes, it is present under cerebrum and it controls voluntary muscles. Can you write one or two voluntary actions? आप voluntary actions बता सकती हो? Yes, Manpreet. Manpreet. Yes, Manpreet Verma. Are you listening? Yes, it's good. When we asked you something, you left. Yes, it controls voluntary actions. Clear? Voluntary actions, can you write one or two voluntary actions which are under the control of cerebellum? No. Astik, it's not heartbeat and digestion. They are involuntary. Very good, Manvi. Is playing, running. Voluntary actions means which are under our control. If we want to play, then we can play. But we cannot control our heartbeat. वो हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. जो हमारी will के according होती हैं actions, they are called voluntary actions and they are controlled by cerebellum. Jumping, writing, okay, walking, walking. All these are under the control of cerebellum. Cooking, very good. Then comes the third part, medulla. Write down another name, brain stem. Very good. And what is the function of medulla? आप backbone लिख रहे हो, it's not backbone, it is the spinal cord. Okay? Anshpreet, you have to write, it connects brain to spinal cord. Spinal cord, it runs through the backbone. Backbone ko, that's why we call it spine also. Vertebral column also. So brain stem's function is it connects the brain to spinal cord and it controls involuntary actions. अब आएंगे involuntary actions में digestion, heartbeat, etc. Okay? Yes, Parneet, very good. It's very long answer you have written. Mentioned all the parts of the brain and their functions. Good. Saksham also. Clear? Now name 3 types of nerves. Nerves are also the part of a nervous system. Nervous system के main 3 parts होती है. Main part is brain, then spinal cord and nerves. Spinal cord connects the body to brain, sends messages to brain. From brain, sends messages to body parts through the nerves. 3 types of nerves are there. First one is, very good, sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. What do you mean by sensory nerves? What is the function of sensory nerves? Yes, all of you take part. Function of sensory nerves. Some of the students are not writing better. By looking at you, we come to know, are you writing or not? Or are you listening or not? And don't turn your videos off. Turn your videos on. Yes, gives messages of body parts to the brain. Very good. Okay, these are the nerves which give messages to the brain. Okay, and these are the different parts of the brain. Cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. We call it brainstem also. Now you can see which nerves carry messages from brain to the sense organs or muscles, we can say. Motor nerves. Very good. Okay, you can see the messages, electrical messages, they run from the brain to the muscles, to the body parts through motor nerves. And mixed nerves, they pass signals in between sensory nerves and motor nerves. Clear? Now do the matching of this. I've sent one video to you regarding the different types of joints. छोटा सा video है, you have to watch it carefully. And now you have to match the following. First, where do we find ball and socket joint? Match it with the B column, find the place. Very good, shoulder. Okay, हमारे shoulders में जो हमारे which helps the shoulder or arm to move in all directions, that is ball and socket joint, in which one bone forms the cavity, another bone forms the ball-like structure, and this ball-like structure fits into the cavity and it helps to rotate the shoulder in all directions. Same type of joint is present in hip also. Clear? And second is hinge joint. Where do we find the hinge joint? Hinge means जैसे door के joints होते हैं. Clear? That is, we find it in the elbow. Okay? Elbow and knee. Like door एक ही side को खुलता है, like that. We have elbow में एक hinge joint होता है which allows the movement only in one direction, backward and forward direction. Clear? It is present in knee and elbow. Very good answers. And third one is pivot joint. Pivot joint is present in the neck region. यहाँ पे present होता है and it helps to move our head, okay, to sides, to backward, forward and in semi-circular direction. And third, gliding joint. Gliding joint is present in, yes, very good Astik, it is present in ankle and wrist. Wrist में जो छोटी bones होती है वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर हल्का सा slide कर सकती है, like this. Clear? वो slide कर सकती है. That's why we have the this movement, that is we can move our ankle and we can move our wrist. So gliding joint is present in the ankle. And next is playing. Playing is controlled by which part? Sorry. Playing is controlled by, playing is voluntary action and it is controlled by cerebellum. Clear? And digestion is controlled by, it is controlled by brainstem or medulla. Very good. Now next is, what is the role of muscles in our body? We have muscles near about, it is, how many muscles are there present in the body? Write it. Near about, yes, it is 650. Very good answer. Clear? And how do they help us? How do they work? They help in the movement. How do they help? By contraction and relaxation. Clear? They expand and they contract and they help to move the bones. Bones cannot move on their own. Okay, they need the help of muscles and muscles are joined to the bones with the help of tough elastic tissues. What do we call them? आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे यो दिख रहा है आपको पिक्चर में, जहाँ पे मसल ज्वाइन हो रही हैं बोन से टेंडन्स. वेरी गुड जसमीत. Nitish also. Quick answers. Tendons help to join muscles to the bones. They are tough elastic tissues and bones help. Bones are moved by the muscles and muscles work in pairs. पेयर में दो मसल्स होती हैं. एक मसल्स जो है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेंगी तो दूसरी रिलैक्स हो जाती है. जो पहले रिलैक्स्ड है जब वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करती है तो दूसरी वाली रिलैक्स हो जाती है. इन दिस वे दे हेल्प टू पुल द बोन्स. दे कैन नॉट पुश, दे कैन पुल ओनली. ओके, जैसा आप देख रहे हो, अगर हमें अपनी आर्म को अप साइड मूव करना है, ऊपर को मूव करना है, तो जो बाइसेप्स है हमारे यहाँ पे, दे विल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं मीन्स शॉर्ट हो जाती हैं. दे पुल द बोन टुवर्ड्स अपसाइड. बट इफ वी वांट टू मेक इट स्ट्रेट अगेन, फिर से हमें इसको स्ट्रेट करना है, ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे लेके जाना है, तो ट्राइसेप्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं एंड अदर्स विल रिलैक्स. क्लियर? So this way, by relaxing and by contracting our muscles, they help to move the bones. They work in pairs. They can pull the bones. They cannot push. Clear? They work in pairs. They help in movement by contraction and relaxation. Okay, beta? And next, human eye. Sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Okay, first of all, we are going to see this. You have to write the answers. What do we call? The picture is in front of you. You have to look at this and write down thin transparent covering of the eye. What do we call it? जो हमारी आई बॉल के ऊपर ट्रांसपेरेंट कवरिंग है, which allows the light to pass through it. What do we call it? Not lens, it's cornea. Very good, Nitish. Okay, it is cornea. And second, colored part, colored circle in the eye, जो eye के center में, जिसके कारण हमारी eye का color होता है. कुछ लोगों की black होती है, किसी की brown होती है, और जो English people है, there may be green or blue also. What do we call it? Not pupil. Pupil उसके center में होती है. Yes, it is iris. Astik, good answer. Iris है जो हमारा colored circle है eye. Okay, center में eye के, उस iris के center में एक छोटा सा black color का circle होता है. What do we call it? Pupil. This is pupil. Clear? आप आईने में देख सकते हो अपनी आई को, और आप अपने पेरेंट्स की, ब्रदर सिस्टर की आई को भी देख सकते हो केयरफुली. तो जो कलर्ड पार्ट के सेंटर में छोटा सा ब्लैक सर्कल है, वी कॉल इट प्यूपिल. एंड साइज ऑफ द प्यूपिल इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय, इट इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय, अभी आया नहीं आंसर बेटा, आइरिस, नॉट लेंस. It is controlled by iris. Clear? तो उसका it depends कि when dim light is there, the size of pupil increases. If bright light is there, the size of pupil decreases. Okay, it controls the amount of light entering the eye. And screen, where image formed, write its name. Retina, good answer. Lens help to focus. Okay, it helps in the image formation, but जिस point पे image formation होती है, that is the innermost layer of the eye, we call it retina. These are the answers. Thin transparent covering cornea, colored circle iris, iris के center में pupil, pupil का size जो it is controlled by iris. और जो innermost layer of the eye where image formation takes place, it is retina. Clear? Now you can see how image formation takes place. First of all, जो light it enters through cornea, and then iris changes the size of the pupil. अगर bright light है तो size small हो जाता है, dim light है तो बड़ा हो जाता है. Then light enters through the lens. Lens helps to focus it, okay, on retina. और retina पे image formation होती है, and it has light sensitive cells और उसके साथ ही होती है ऑप्टिक नर्व. ऑप्टिक नर्व कैरी these signals, electrical signals to brain, and brain interprets के what we are looking at, क्या हम देख रहे हैं, that is connected to the brain. Clear? So 4 steps आपको दिख रहे हैं, नीचे देख सकते हो. फर्स्ट में लाइट एंटर होती है थ्रू कॉर्निया, थ्रू द प्यूपल, देन लेंस के ऊपर फॉल करती है लाइट, लेंस फोकस करता है ऑन रेटिना, देन रेटिना पे जो लाइट सेंसिटिव सेल्स हैं, they tell the brain what we are looking at. Okay? And next comes the ear. Clear? 3 parts of ear. Outer ear, we call it pinna, which collects the sound waves. These pass through the ear canal. They strike the eardrum, जिसको हम पर्दा कहते हैं, tympanic membrane कहते हैं. It is very delicate and it start vibrating when sound waves fall on them. And these vibrations are passed to middle ear where 3 bones are connected. Clear? And these signal sound waves, they are passed to inner ear, we call it cochlea also, and these are connected to auditory nerve, which tells brain what we are hearing. Clear? So this is all about today, and if any query is there, so you can ask me right now.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.